Hello guys, welcome back to a new video of Master Lego Building Blocks. And by the last video where I was telling about Eid, like this box that my friend gave me for Eid. Yeah, that was pretty, this one is cool, so let's open the package up. Package 1, package 2, package 3, and then just some instructions and some more instructions, and then some stickers for the bike. Maybe we're building a bike. Okay, so that's what we're going to make today. Okay, I was just making, I know what I'm saying, block. That sounds like block. Okay, which one should we start off with? This one, or this one? I'm pretty sure we'll start off with this one. Okay, so bear with me, just stay here. So come back, I'll just get the scissors. Okay. Wait, I think these scissors are too dangerous. Okay guys, yeah, I'll just use these scissors. These hard scissors. Pretty hard. Okay, so which one is this? Okay. Yes, this one's pretty cool. Might be my favorite Legos. Like I had 2 more packs of Legos. Now I have 3 more. Okay, let's package it up. Whoa. Wow, there's many Legos. Yes, we also have to open up this pack. Hi, come back here. They're so cute. Okay, I'm not even calling them cute. Okay, let's open these up. Malaika. Cool, these look like glasses. Okay. Which package does it start up with? Wait, no, not that one. Where's the one where you go like... Okay guys, I think I've got the instructions for this. What's this instruction? These instructions are cool. Oh, I think we got 2 of them mixed in one. Amazing. Okay, which one do we start off with? Okay. Whoa, this guy looks cool. Okay, so we get this head. Where's his body? We put on his... it's the other guy. I'm silly. So I get this guy. You put on his mask like this, and then you pluck on his body, his crazy body, and then where's his glasses? Get those glasses. Oh. Put them on him. This looks amazing, guys. You should get this from Kmart. And it's a Kmart that's open for 24 hours in Australia. Victoria, if you're not in Australia. Let's just keep it up like that. So cool. And then let's put his pants on. Like that. Police officer. Wow. It's time for police officer time. Yes, I've always wanted this thing. Okay, so we got that. Now it's time for the police officer. Okay, we have to do this neat and quickly. Oh no. Nalarik. Why do I keep saying that? Okay, so just for today, let's just keep on his mask instead of the hair for him. And then let's put his pants on like that. Like that? Yes. I did it. Haha. Okay, so now I just waste my time on I have to put this on. There you go. Now I can go into this page. Start off with this. You put 2 wheels up like that, and then like this. Okay? The wrong way around. Like that. Okay, why am I wasting time? And then you just got one of these. Or is it 2? It just says 1. And then you keep it here, right? Yes. Like that. Oh no, guys, we have to be quick. Guys, we really have to be quick. Okay, so then we get this. Put it on the side right over here. And then we get... What's that sticker or is it Wait a minute. We get a sticker. We put it on this. Where do we put it on? Yes, we put it on this. I need help to put the stickers on because I'm not neat with putting stickers on. Okay, I could just... Okay, this could be like a broken car, so I could put it however I want. There, like that. Okay, We have to do this neat and quickly. Okay, guys? If you say no, bad luck. For me, not for you guys. Because you guys said it. And then we put something like that. And then we put 2 of these eyes. Red things. Oh, wow. There's also bombs. Thanks, Rayan. Oh, okay. Yes. Oh. We just wasted our time. Okay, guys. It's almost time to go, so just a little bit longer, okay? Just a little bit longer. Just a little bit. Okay, guys? Just a little bit longer. We can just go on this. Because I really need to go. Huh? Wait, what? Oh, yeah. You get one of these things, and then we put it on here, like that. And then we get we get 2 of these things. This is the best thing ever. And then we keep it up like this. Still, guys, I'll just do it a little bit more now. Because I really need to go. I need to go in 2 seconds. 1, 2, there. Okay. Yes. Oh yes. Oh yes. Oh boy. Oh boy. Wait, do I keep it here? Okay, this looks good. It looks good enough, right? Like that. Then, wait, did I miss a page? Yes, I didn't miss a page. Okay. So I get 1, and I get 1, and I put 1, and I put 1. Whoa, I'm creative. And then I put, wait, what? Oh, now I get it. Put it on the sticker. Oh no, this is hard. Hardy, party, soggy, lordy, nah, the sheep. Okay, guys, just wait for a second. Okay, guys, I'll just finish off the video in a second. I really need to finish the video. Please don't be late. Please don't start. Please don't start. Muslims, don't start. We're Muslims. So we get one of this. Okay, guys, I'll just end up the video like this. So please like and subscribe to this video and the next video I'll make. See you later. Bye.